Hello! This video is about how to jump out fakie. There's a request about how to jump out fakie. I just jump out and land on my toe stops fakie, and I don't know if there's an actual trick to it or anything aside from really just being very, very comfortable skating fakie or backwards. And when you're pumping fakie, to really be able to throw yourself beyond the coping. I actually learned how to jump out fakie before I learned how to do a fakie stall, because it did not feel as precise to jump out and land on the deck. It felt easier to me than trying to exactly land on the coping. I recommend, if you can, try to find a ramp like this that has railings on it, like a mini ramp with railings, because that way you kind of can, if you throw yourself out onto the ramp, onto the deck of the ramp, you can grab hold of the railing. So I'm gonna just show pumping and trying to get out first.
Let's see it.
So I'm pumping with my left foot in front, right foot behind. Of course, you know, whichever way you go, you do you, but I lead left, so that's my natural way. But mainly is that when you're pumping, you can really just see that coping. So basically, it's like feeling like you can go beyond. See how I grab the railing here? That's super handy. You know, if you fail, have your knee pads on. And if you fail, you could just sort of like, you know, if that's not really a big deal if you have your knee pads on, I guess, right? This deck is pretty soft too, but if it was on concrete, you know, it might hurt a little more, right?
So where are you looking?
I'm looking over my back shoulder. I'm open. My back shoulder is my right shoulder. So I'm looking over my right shoulder at the deck. All right? I'm trying to go past that coping, jump out. That's where the railing comes in. Whoa! It helps if you feel like you're going too far. But the main thing is to, when you're skating fakie backwards, be hinged at your hips and be looking back, like you're leading with your butt. Like you're trying to throw your butt past the coping onto the deck, basically, is how I think of it.
Okay.
So I'm pumping, looking over my back shoulder, trying to land, jumping back in. Pumping, jumping.
Man, that looks hard.
You have the ramp. If you ride the ramp all the way up, it's not really that hard. It's just more so not tightening up your body and standing up straight when you get to the top. Because a lot of times we have a tendency to do that. I remember it used to freak me out. Like when I'd be pumping fakie, as I was pumping fakie, I started to go like, you know, it was like the body position would go kind of like, don't do that. Think of squatting into it. Squat your butt into it. Look over your back shoulder, squat. My gaze actually travels from shoulder to armpit. As the trajectory of the ramp changes, over shoulder, under armpit.
Okay.
Just rolled right out, right? Out. Keep the knees really soft. You could do one toe stop. You don't have to. You could do two toe stops.
Wow.
You can do one toe stop with a little kick. I like to do that. Woo!
Fancy.
You can do toe stops. Turn, bend, 180.
Wow.
Right? But the main thing is compression. You know? Practice standing on your toe stops, kind of crunching down like that, and leaning forward at the hips when you ride out. And like I say, if you do mess up, wear whatever protective gear you want. But I think knee pads for me are like my most used piece, because if you overdo it and you fly out, you could just go, knee down. That's always a good safety if you have your knee pads on. If you feel unstable, wobbly, throw yourself out. knee down,
Okay.
right? And then you could practice from there, getting back on, going back in.
Oh.
Maybe you could make that into a funny little stall. Oh, squat down, go back in. I don't know, but you know, it's really handy because if you overshoot your fakie stall or something, you could pretend like, oh, I meant to do that. I meant to go onto the deck, you know? So you could turn it into a trick, and it's also just really handy for just being able to flow back and forth. But you know, practice on like this, a smaller ramp is easier, of course. I hope that helps y'all and gives you some tips for practicing that. But the main thing is, you know, like everything, being really comfortable pumping. Really comfortable pumping forward and fakie and really fluid with that. Like everything, almost everything else, I guess it's mainly based on that and really feeling comfortable with that. So always practice your pumping. And please let us know what you want to see, and like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.